Wherever you are and whatever the time, you can follow the teachings of Yahushua preached by the ambassador of Yahushua, YAHVAH, on the following YouTube channels. For English, YAHVAH YAHOSHUA TV. For French, YAHVAH YAHOSHUA TV Français. For Chinese, YAHVAH YAHOSHUA TV Chinese. And for Malagasy, YAHVAH YAHOSHUA TV Malagasy. You can also follow live on the websites www.rtvyahoshua.com or on www.ya-yahvah.com. So follow the teachings of Yahushua, which will make you someone who never sins anymore and lead you to the heaven of heaven.